The Genesee Transportation Council, the metropolitan planning organization for the Genesee Finger Lakes region, is seeking public feedback on draft recommendations as part of developing the Long Range Transportation Plan 2045, or LRTP. My name is Jody Bennix, a program manager at Genesee Transportation Council. I'm heading up the effort to create the new LRTP. The purpose of the Long Range Plan is to establish transportation priorities and set a strategic direction for the 9-county Genesee Finger Lakes region. Federal, state, and local governments will use LRTP 2045 to guide transportation investment decision-making in our region over the next 25 years. GTC staff have developed 78 draft recommendations that will be included in LRTP 2045. A full listing of the draft recommendations can be downloaded from publicinput.com/long-range transportation plan. The draft recommendations are a result of an assessment of the current transportation system, emerging issues and opportunities noted, transportation needs, and the input received from the public during the summer of 2020. After an initial set of draft recommendations were brainstormed, staff noticed key themes emerging. Each recommendation falls into one of the following 5 key themes: health and safety, access and equity, system management and maintenance, sustainability and resilience, and economic development. Regarding the format of the recommendations, staff made a concerted effort to standardize the presentation of the recommendations. This is an example of the economic development spread. You will notice that each recommendation has a similar framework: a brief name with an identifier that corresponds to the overall category, which in this case is ED/1, a description or the how, the importance or the why, potential partners, and the time frame. As in years past, the GTC LRTP is a policy-based plan that will guide investment decisions. The LRTP does not recommend individual projects. GTC will be using the publicinput.com platform to conduct outreach regarding the draft recommendations. People can participate in the public review by calling a toll-free number, leaving a voicemail in any language at any time, using texting to launch a text-based survey about the recommendations, sending an email, or sending a letter to Genesee Transportation Council. Additionally, GTC staff will host 2 online public information meetings to discuss the recommendations. These meetings will be hosted on publicinput.com/long-range transportation plan. The first session will be held Tuesday, February 23rd from 1 to 2 p.m. A second session will be held on Tuesday, March 2nd from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Both sessions will be recorded and available for later viewing. The public review period will extend through March 15th. After finalizing the recommendations based on public comments, a full draft LRTP 2045 will be presented to the GTC Planning Committee in April for consideration and release of a formal 30-day public review period. After that 30-day public review period, the GTC Board will make a recommendation to adopt the long-range plan at its June 10th, 2021 meeting. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at jbennix, it's BINNIX, at GTCMPO, or submit a comment on publicinput.com/long-range transportation plan. Thank you.